Okay, let's start with this avatar challenge. Put on your first hair, your fifth head, and if you don't have five, your second head. Then put on your second classic G-shirt, and this is not optional, you need to do it. Anyway, put on your fourth shirt, your third pants, and we're gonna put on some layered clothing because I'm the best. Put on your first layered clothing because I only have one. Don't make fun of me. Then put on your fourth, or put on your third hat. This is totally not made up to make me look good. And lastly, close my eyes. Your second face accessories. How did yours turn out? I think I look glamorous.